dance. Today's topic is improvisation. Improvisation is also known as freestyle in some other dance forms. So what does it mean to improvise? To improvise is to create movements on the spot, to come up with movements without a set routine or a set choreography. Whatever you do in improvisation is on the spot. In hip hop battles, there's a lot of freestyle that happens, also known as improvisation, where the dancers come and create movements on the spot. They might have a few sets here and there, but it's mostly on the spot, right? So, this video will be a series of videos where I'll be giving you tools and how to make your improvisation better. So, this particular video, we're going to look at the basic foundation of an improvisation. So, we'll be looking at three aspects of this: staccato, legato, and isolations. Staccato means to move in breaks. So, basically, move break, 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 right? And in legato, you move in a flow, 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 flow. And isolations are basically moving one body part at a time. Head, shoulder, chest, hip, knee, and so on. So what we'll be doing is we'll do 30 seconds of each: staccato, legato, and isolations, and see how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to play some music and let's just explore these different types of movements. Alright, so let's look at staccato movements. Awesome! Let's look at legato movements. Let's go. Awesome! Let's look at some isolations. Awesome! So we did each aspect of the improvisation for only 30 seconds. But make sure you explore every tool for an entire song or an entire day or an entire month. You choose how deep you want to dive into it, right? So make sure you do staccato enough, legato a lot, and isolation enough. Make sure you do all three so that you have a complete understanding of each tool, right? Only once you've understood them individually and separately will you be able to mix them up, right? So make sure you do all of it separately and then add a mix of it. Cool? We'll be learning more and more tools in the coming videos of this series, alright? Till then, keep practicing, keep improvising. All the best.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.